Listen up, ladies and gentlemen, is to go for the double backflip. He says he has a tendency to over-rotate it. He's going to try to go a little short to stop the rotation. He wants to land in the fluffy stuff. Quote, loosely quoting Travis, if I crash at the bottom, I'm done. If I crash up here at the top, there's a better possibility of survival, and I'm okay with that. I mean, come on, Travis Pastrana, X Games, he wants the gold, never got in this event. Rabeau's got to be wondering how nuts this guy is.
I've got to tell you, this is not fluffy stuff.
All right, so Travis Pastrana, it is time for history. If you are not standing up at home, I would get off the couch. Every rider in the house is watching. The world is watching as Travis Pastrana, everybody in this house, is now standing up and cheering on the 199. Go, Travis!
Kidding me? How many times can you find the Holy Grail in one building? A double back flip from Travis Pastrana.
People, get out the history book. Sal Masekela saluting the double arms over the head. Congratulations from Brian Deegan. Gold medalist from the vert. Chad Kagi watching from the top of the vert ramp in awe. And ladies and gentlemen, we have just been blown away one more time. If this is not a perfect 100, I don't know what is. Let's please see it again.
Off the ramp, it's kicked up to 69 degrees. It's 48 feet out, and this is perfect.
It doesn't get any better. Look how hard he pulls off the back of the motorcycle. One flip completely around. He still has the head arced backwards. Total commitment. Not one bit of doubt. Travis Pastrana just earned his first gold in 4 events. He will try for gold in here at the X Games. I will not doubt him in any of them after seeing that. Wow, 199 bringing the big stick to X Games 12. Listen to the crowd still saluting him. No one is leaving the Staples Center. They have just witnessed history. Fans still on their feet cheering on Travis Pastrana.